so then it's like really slick and they slide around.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
All of these guys seem like they're here for a good time, not a long time.
Yeah, they say they're from Utah, but they're here not for a long time.
Now this is my kind of show.
They're about all on fire. They're all so.
They better be cute. That's all I'm saying.
Wait, where's our black one? The black one's right there, 13. He's the only one moving, so we're good. He's the only one running. He's the one we are cheering for.
Oh.
If I do this, I feel bad for the Boston car.
For real.
Like, imagine what it's having to do. See, these two, that person only, he broke his stick.
13 minutes for answer. You can't do it again.
I might change to him. He's kind of, see, my age is black. Good time to be on a phone call, right, Dennis? Good time to be on a phone call, right? Yeah, perfect timing.
I was on a phone call.
13's barely running. So they're playing teams right now. You see 13 and 13, they're on a team. That's why they didn't hit each other.
Oh.
They're on a team. That guy's like, I'm gonna just back up and put my bumper back on.
I'm not kidding. They better be cute. Oh wait, I'm sending this to my boyfriend. Do you think he's gonna like this?
Yeah. Oh!
All of them come one out of the start.
Somebody's making me record the whole show. Then why did 13
We've got the 77X and Tyson Gilbert out in third, and we have 2 to go.
I put it at 5 so you can see the whole
So
thing.
these two are the only people left, but at the beginning of the race, they kind of teamed up on each other. But now since they're the only two left, they're all for it.
I think that says fat. Fat.
Hey, Asher, who's it gonna be?
13K. Okay, 13 or whatever it says. Better
13K.
win. Yeah.
Yeah, well, we can
I
win.
have a feeling he's cute.
Team matches on the clock.
Red flag.
Oh, what's that?
That is it, ladies and gentlemen.
He won.
I was cheering for him the whole time. So happy.
Oh yeah.
Should I put it on pause?
Third place, the 77X of Tyson